I just ignite the mic device after I bend down when I'm gonna recite. After I inhale the smoke from the peace pipe. After the day's done, that's what I do each night. When I reach my goal, then I can sleep tight. The flow is too flame, so you might need ice to keep on hand for when me and my team strike. See, we like to come from a different direction. That way the selection is impressive. I'm the answer to the question of where it's at. Going somewhere better than where it's at. From what I expect, you're gonna have to repair the track. I just wanted to make sure you're aware of that. This is certain. When I put my work in, when I get to working, my magic is curtains. When I turn a verse in, you'll get what you're searching for. Not enough? Well, I'm perfect. More without birth defects. Every verse presets the standard. The industry better pre-prep. He killing it. Your instruments can't cheat death. You feeling him? Telling them, ain't he fresh? He ain't planning or planning to take recess. He don't want you thinking he can't be next. So he lets rappers try him. And he takes these tests. And no, he won't fall off. He got a safety net. Bet he is one of the threats. The best yet. Yes. Style, lyrics, and flow. Check, check, check. Acapella ammunition. Blap, blap, blap. Get familiar with another episode. Grabbing your attention on the 4th and 22nd of each month. This was season 2, episode 3. DJs calling all DJs. Ring, ring, where you at, where you at? Producers calling all producers. Ring, ring, where you at, where you at? Promoters calling all promoters. Ring, ring, where you at, where you at? He's starving, he been through hell, and hell has been through him. Together they wrote it out. I'm talking to there and back, there and back. The format, Tomorrow's Poet.